If you want to get iPhone ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, we can download a third-party app from the Play Store that allows us to download and use the iPhone ringtone. So let's actually search for one. Let's type iPhone ringtone. And of course, there will be multiple different apps that we can use. In my case, I'm gonna use this one over here. So you can try to use the same. However, if you don't like it for some reason, then you can try any other. Once it is installed, we want to open it, of course. We don't have to agree to notifications in this case. Alright, and now let's press do not consent here. Now we can find our ringtone. So let's say I'm gonna go over here and we will find a bunch of different sounds. We can tap on this play button in order to check how they sound like. And if you like the sound, then we can select it. And then we can choose to set as a ringtone. And then choose as a color ringtone. We need to allow permissions for the app to change system settings so that the app can actually set a different ringtone. Then let's go back. And you might need to select it again in order to see this information that ringtone has been set successfully. And just to check, we can go to settings, sounds and vibration, and let's see if you have the ringtone set with those like a huge number, that means that we have set successfully. Now we might not be able to find it on this list, but if you actually lost it for some reason, then you can probably press this plus button and you should be able to find it over here because you actually downloaded the ringtone anyway, and then you can add it here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!